Hey guys, it's your girl Sarah from Sarah Styles here. Real quick before we get started, go ahead and hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notifications when I do new content. I have something really exciting coming, so definitely hit notifications so that you get notified that happens. I was gonna do a real quick haul. The last haul that I did, I went to the bins and got like 80 pounds of stuff, and I'm down to about 30 items to list still, and it's mostly winter, so it's been I've been very unmotivated to do it. It's hard for me to list winter items or take pictures or be excited about them when it is summer. Although I'm in Colorado and it's been winter. It did snow last week. I should have done it last week when it snowed. Yesterday we had a big hailstorm and my daughter said, "Mommy, is it winter again?" She's 4. She doesn't understand. 1, Colorado, and 2, seasons are months long. So I was thinking if I did a quick haul with what's left, that maybe it would motivate me and re-excite me to take pictures. So let's get started. Yay winter stuff. And look at this beautiful, it could be spring, because it is a dress. I was listing this one. It's Maeve, and it's amazing. So cute. So here is a long sweater, and it is Theory, which is a really nice brand. And another thing, so when I'm at the bins or anywhere, I usually am sourcing quickly. You source by feel, and this feels super soft. And when I picked it up, it's 100% cashmere, which is, nice quality. Theory is a nice brand as well. When I looked at comps, when I bought it, I wasn't sure. I knew Theory was nice and I knew cashmere was nice, so I bought it. I looked at comps, and it's actually an Annalise cashmere. And quickly when I looked at those comps, they're running around $100. I think with new attack, so probably slightly less, but yay. That'll motivate me to list it. This one, too. Again, I felt it and I was like, oh my god, that feels so soft. It's folio, and again, it is 100% cashmere. When I looked at comps for this, comps were kind of all over the place, and I feel like it's because it is the spring, and so, if things are selling now, they're going to sell a lot lower than if they were to sell in the fall and winter. But the comps on this one listing that I had said it was vintage, so I'll have to kind of research into that more, but the comps were between like $30 and $50. So look at this sweater. It's like a cascading, super cozy. I think I tried it on and it was a bit tight on my arms because it's like so cozy. And another way, if you've watched me before, I love pockets. I think everybody loves pockets, but I run after children, and so, having a pocket that I can, shove their half-eaten food in, or, just for my wallet and my phone, because I don't always like to carry stuff with me. It is Cabby. Oh, wait, backwards. Oh, there you go. It's Cabby, size medium. I don't remember the fabric. Let me see if it's anything. It's in really good condition. So it's cotton, and it does have a style number on it. I do prefer, and one reason that I like a lot of purses and shoes is they often have, Coach has a number. You look up the number and boom, your listing is done. And then same with shoes. A lot of shoes have a name. And so if you know the name, it's so easy to list because you can look up the lane, you can find it, it takes you no time to find it. So that's a quick tip. Find stuff that has style numbers and names because it's easily searchable and it's also really easy to list. And so this does have a style number on it. Hopefully that'll help me list it. And this, super soft. It's J. Crew. And I'm trying to up my price point, my average price per item, so that I'm working not working harder for the same amount of money, right? So I can sell less and make more. So J. Crew, depending on their stuff, I'm leaving behind. 2 reasons I picked this up. Well, 3. 1, I might keep it for myself. It's so cute, and it's like a baggy style, but fitted, if that makes sense, and it's really cute, and it's soft. But the other 2 reasons I picked it up, besides myself, is it does have a style number. And then if you see where it says FA18, that's fall 18, which means that this is, like not even 6 months old. And, oh, here's the other one. The other reason is it is 100% wool. And wool is usually kind of like scratchy because it's the merino wool, whatever. It is so soft and it's lightweight, so it'll keep you super warm, but you won't feel all like big and bulky and scratchy like a wool sweater would. So if that's in my closet in the fall, I might keep it. Here is BCB Generation. So BCB Generation has different levels, and BCB Generation is one of the lower. The Max Azaria is the higher, and it's just a shirt. Couple reasons I picked this up. One, I was at the bin, so it was much cheaper. But these are leather. It's kind of hard to tell in the video. These are leather sleeves. And then it also, again, it has pockets. So 2 kind of unique features, and then it has this on it still. I won't say that it's new with tags. I won't put that in the drop down menu, but I will say that it still has this on it. It's very likely that it has never been worn or whatnot. This Alex Evenings. So it's a line of dresses and evening wear, and it's really cute. It has like this little buckle right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like kind of at an angle, and it's in good condition. It totally reminds me of something like a mother-in-law would wear to a wedding. So I'm gonna try this. Will motivate me to list it fast because it is wedding season, and so hopefully a mother-in-law will say, oh, that's cute. And a lot of women like to cover their arms, so this will cover their arms, but because it's sheer, it will still be breathable in the summer, so I picked that up. I'm not really doing comps on these. Maybe going forward, I'll start doing comps. Alex Evenings, their dresses, I've sold between like $30 and $100 depending on the style and the quality. A blazer, I would guess the comps are probably 30 to 40. I'll do comps going forward. So I don't do a lot of t-shirts, and I think I picked this up solely because I love Selena so much. It's awful. I mean, I'm sure it'll sell. I looked up comps. It goes between like $10 and $20, so not a big ticket item. But sometimes I buy things to put in my closet because it brings a certain aesthetic to it, and because I like it. And I don't know. I like it. I like Selena, and I feel like I'm not the only one that likes Selena, so having that in a title will probably bring a lot of people to my closet, and then they'll look at other things. This is Stevie Hender. And so one reason I picked this up, like I said, I'm not doing a ton of tops. They take a lot of time to photograph, and sweaters sometimes will sell higher, but they don't always, something on my screen. They don't always sell at a high price point, so I've been trying to, really contain myself and focus on what sells at a high price point, so that I am working more effectively, more efficiently. And so this sweater, but I did pick it up because it has that front tie knot. Stevie Hender, when I looked up the comps, I honestly don't remember. I think it was between like 20 and 40 bucks. But I thought it was really cute and it would bring people to my closet, you know, in the fall. And then this, I mean, Harry Potter. I looked up comps on it and it's, you know, 20 bucks. But like I said, Harry Potter is like a thing and it has a lot of people that are interested in it. And so I think having it in my closet will bring traffic. So that's something when you're sourcing to think about. Why am I buying this? And a lot of times it's to make money, but sometimes it's to bring traffic. So when I sit down and I source, that's what I think about. And I think, well, this probably isn't going to be a high ticket item. I think Harry Potter is well sought after, and a lot of people like Harry Potter. And it's in, I mean, it looks like it's brand new, so it's in really good condition. This is Guess. I don't normally sell men's just because I don't know it. I don't think it's always so cute or whatever. I accidentally bought a Columbia Omni Heat like pullover for a man. I thought it was women's and I got it for a man. It's a size large, and so I'm just gonna see if my husband wants it. He does weight, and so sometimes the up top needs an extra large, so if it doesn't fit him, then I'll end up selling it. But this jacket, I don't have to know a lot to know that this will sell and to know that this will sell at a reasonable price for me. So I picked that up, and I was at the bins, and so, you know, can you hear my kids upstairs? My 2-year-old just got up from nap, and he's, like, jumping off the couch or something. So I would guess, I haven't looked up comps on this Guess jacket. I would guess, based off of Guess women's, probably between 30 and 50. This. Oh. Cabby. I like Cabby. It's usually pretty, like, cute but basic type things. So this, I looked this up and I was like, yeah, maybe I'll get it, maybe I won't. It looks like it's in near new condition, and so when I looked it up to comp it, now I did this a couple weeks ago when I first did my haul, so I don't remember off the top of my head, but when I first looked it up, actually, it's probably in my phone. Because, so another tip, as I go through and I have time to look them up, so like if I'm at the bins and I'm looking it up really quick and I find it, I like it, so then I can easily go into my likes and it's there when I'm ready to list it. So let me scroll. It was like a month ago, and I drop a note below. You can see I am in I have a bunch of hats liked. I'm in the market for a hat. I have a hat obsession, so drop your closet below if you have hats I might be interested in. Okay, so, oh yes, this is why. It's called a Lido, long Lido, and it looks like it's a fairly new-ish jacket. There's a lot of them on here. Some of them are new with tags in the boutique, and it's, you know, $50 to $100. So I will be listing that one quickly. And it could be a spring jacket. If other people are having crazy spring weather like we are, it could be a spring jacket, if not in fall. Let's see what else I have. So this one, I'm gonna ask your opinion. Okay, let's look. So first, let's look at the label. You see, it's kind of hard to see on the bronze. It's Free People. And what's even more exciting about this Free People is, in the, where is, oh, here it is. It's really small. Let me find it for you so I can show it. Yes, okay. So on the label, you can see the RN, and the RN is 66170, which, does anyone know what that is? It's Anthro. So having an Anthro, I will only list something in Anthro if it is exclusive. So like Maeve is exclusively sold at Anthro. So I will list Anthro in the title and I will put Anthro as the category or as the brand. But other things like Free People's not always sold there, and there's a bajillion lines that aren't exclusively sold at Anthro. So I won't put that in the title unless it has the RN 66170. So it's always exciting to me when I find an RN that has 66170. And this, oh my God. It is so cute, and it looks so cute on. Drop a note below. I am very tempted to keep it. I don't have anywhere to wear it. That's the only reason it's stopping me. But I am extremely tempted to keep it. So leave a comment below to tell me to keep it or to sell it. I have a couple other things I'm not really going to get into. This is kind of the bulk of the winter stuff. That's my summer. Yeah, I think that's mostly the bulk of it. So doing this video did exactly what it needed to do. It got me excited because it reminded me of why I picked up the things that I picked up. And then it also reminded me of if you don't list your stuff, it can't make money. So I definitely have the habit. I posted on my Instagram. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I have lots of tips and tricks there, as well as, like I said, I have some big news coming. So follow me on Instagram and subscribe and hit the notifications, the little bell, so that you get notified when I have new content. But I have big things coming, and you'll see it on Instagram and then here on YouTube. Oh, but I was going to say, I posted today on Instagram that, you know, I try really hard not to get a death pile. So I am now, after I list this, I will be down to nothing to list, and then I will go shopping. And I don't go shopping unless I have nothing on my racks, or sometimes minimal things on my racks depending on how I can shop. Because I don't always, like if I had 10 items on my racks and Grandma was like, do you want to go shopping? Yes, please. If Grandma was like, I'll watch the kids and I have 50 things on my rack, then I will come home and list and not go shopping. Anyway, I get in the habit, and I posted on my Instagram, that my death pile tends to be stuff that I take pictures of and then it stays in my phone. So like one of the things I posted today was in my phone because I took a picture and I was ready to list it, but I didn't have a picture of the size label, so I didn't know what size it was. Well, it was like a month old, and I just never came down and found the size. So something that I did for my death pile was go through all the pictures in my phone, find the sizes, find it in inventory, and list it. Because if you don't list your stuff, the shopping's fun, but if you don't list your stuff, you can't make the money. And this, sometimes you need reminders of why you got excited and why you bought it, which is exactly why I did this. And now I'm super stoked, even though we're kind of having crummy weather. It's 60 degrees out right now. But even though this is winter and I wasn't excited about it, this video totally got me excited about it. So remember that if you don't list things, you can't sell them, you don't make money. Find ways to get excited about them. So thanks again for watching my haul. I'm Sarah from Sarah Styles. Follow me on Instagram. Definitely make sure to head over to my Facebook group. Anything from this video is on sale there first. So definitely do that. And then I'm looking. This is on the top. Drop a comment below if you think I should keep the Anthro Free People dress. And maybe I'll have to make my husband take me out on a date or something. So I feel like a good reason to keep it. But that's it. Subscribe and hit notifications, and big things are coming. Keep a watch out.